Welcome back. It's a little foggy out here this morning. We're gonna go hit the river. Let's try to hook up on some puppy draw. Maybe get some striper. Looks like it's going to be a slow ride to get to the spot today. This fog is insane. I have never had to rely on my mats more than right now. Following the center of old trails. You can't see nothing out here. I just pray there's no other boats out here flying around. Hopefully we'll get to the spot soon. All right, we're out here. There's another boat already here, and it looks like he is reeling in a very large fish right now, so that's a good sign. Oh yeah, we're marking a ton of fish on. Ton of fish on the radar. Big boy is down there on the bottom. Got him on the Rattletrap. A little ride. He ain't ready yet. Okay, I see you. Come on, baby, go ahead. I got all day. Bro. I didn't expect that drone to hit that rattle trap. Thought for sure it was gonna be a striper. Good red drum. Perfect slot size. Got a lot of fight in them. Oh my God, no! He was right at the boat. Gotta go, baby. Oh my God, I thought I was gonna lose another one. That was crazy. Good fish, put up a good fight. Rattletraps are kind of the secret go-to out here. They're not hitting the plastic. Had great luck with them things. One thing that sucks is the hooks usually don't get deep into their mouth, or you hook them in the face or something, and they come out a lot easier. Get out here in the open, I put my spot lock on. The trolling motor tried to get me on this fish too. I stepped on the button and it put itself away, and then it didn't want to come back out. All right. All right, buddy. He was actually hooked really good. He wasn't coming off there. Good puppy drum though. See how big he is. Oh yeah, he's slot fish. 23, going in the live well. It's gonna be dinner tonight. Don't laugh at me, I'm a little pale. I haven't been able to get out too much fishing this year. One trip out in the ocean though, cobia fishing, and I look like an Indian. spot lock will work in here. Chill out, bruh. I don't even know if he's a keeper. Nice, too little. Only 19. But good sign. That means they're back in here. Spot lock looks like it's holding pretty good. Let's see if we can sit here and maybe make a few more casts. Get out of the heat for a minute. All right, guys, so it's about 12 o'clock. We've been out here since 7, so I'm gonna have to call it. It's getting hot. I got stuff to do today. I did end up with one keeper, and I lost a good sized one, and I caught one that was about, I think it was like 19 or something, so pretty good morning. I'm surprised they were hitting on the rattle trap. I really haven't caught puppy drum on a rattle trap. That was a first for me. I figured I'd try it. I literally was walking out of the house this morning, and I saw it sitting there. It's an old beat up rattle trap. It's like a 3 1/4, 3/4 ounce. I think, you know what, let me just grab it just in case a striper are hitting, and sure enough, saved my day. Without that, I would have caught no fish. I'm gonna go ahead and get home and clean these fish up. I'm gonna get back to work. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. This big son of a gun coming in here. How'd you like to get trapped up underneath the front of that?